This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath apartment in Sunset Apartments of FUMBA Uptown. This is the living room. It has a ceiling fan and air conditioner, wall unit, TV, DSTV, and smart TV and Wi-Fi accessible. It has a balcony so you can see the sunset. It is approximately 5:15 or so in the afternoon now, so the sun is setting. Here's the balcony. Overlooking the parking lot and the guardhouse. And you can see the sun is setting. Over that side are the villas on the Indian Ocean. FUMBA Town is on the southwest aspect of Zanzibar, so it is facing west. Hence the sunset that we can see, and hence them calling this place the Sunset Apartments. So that's FUMBA Uptown Living Villas facing the ocean. And the apartments are a little further back, but it is walkable distance. The path to walk is right here. You make a right outside of the front gate and you walk down. And I've walked it, not a far walk, to the beach, to the ocean. Okay, we'll go back inside. Where it's cool, this is hot out there. There are screened doors and screens on the windows. If you want to open up the windows or the door to get fresh air, you can. You might not want to do that in the summertime, but in the wintertime it would be reasonable. But there's an AC unit right up there, right there. There's an AC unit in every bedroom and the living room. And there are remote controls. This is the remote control for the AC, and this is for the fan. You can turn it up to 5-speed. And the lights, lots of lights, nice fan. And this is the kitchen. You have a little dinette area, 4 chairs. You have a regular size refrigerator. With a freezer. That's decent. This may be an air fryer here. That's my water. You should have a lot of water. It's not recommended that you drink the tap water, so buy bottles of water. There's a tea kettle, an oven and a stove, a microwave, a cooker, a blender, and you get utensils and plates and glasses and bowls and such. Sink. This is the outside, the back door area that goes to a small balcony, and that's where the washer is, the clothes washer. The backyard doesn't show much. And we have lots of cabinet space if needed. And there's 3 bathrooms, and this is the first bathroom that's in the hallway, so it's the general bathroom for visitors and your third guests if you should have one. And the essentials are here. Each bathroom has a shower. It's tile all around, tile on the walls, tile on the floor. And what else you need? Oh. This is the master bedroom here with a large bed and built-in cabinets here, from floor to ceiling cabinets, lots of cabinets, and ceiling fan, and here's the AC unit. Everything is working. The large bed and 2 side tables. One there. Oh, no, 1 side table in this room. And the ensuite bath right here. So master bath. So the baths look about the same. Bathrooms look about the same. With the sink, the toilet, and a shower. That's the first bedroom. This is the second bedroom. The middle bedroom. You can see I have the fan on strong. And this looks maybe like a full bed. And 2 side tables here. And built-in closets again. And let's go to the third bedroom right here. Third bedroom looks like a full-size bed as well. And 1 side table, the AC unit, ceiling fan, and the built-ins. And this is the third bathroom. Looks the same, the toilet, sink, and shower. And there's a light above the mirror, which is nice if you want to do some close-up work in the mirror. All right, this is the hallway. And I will show you some pictures of the outside as well.